Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is LaVon Michelle, your personal stylist. And today we're gonna be discussing how to pack for a long weekend vacation or getaway. We are going to South Beach and I wanna walk you through my process for packing for a long weekend trip. If you have a lot to work with, I highly recommend you start 2 weeks prior to your trip. It's just a good idea to lay out what you have so you can double check fit, make sure your sizes haven't changed. I know a lot of people haven't been traveling over the last 2 years. So if this is one of your first trips and you're pulling out things you haven't worn in a while, it makes sense to just try them on to make sure that you're not planning to bring outfits that last minute you find out don't work for you. Okay, so for this trip, we're gonna be there for 3 days, 3 nights. Daytime for us, for this trip, it's gonna be relatively casual. Pool, beach, spa, lounging, bike rides, so I don't need anything fancy or over the top for daytime. And then for evening, we have a couple really great restaurants booked, so I kind of want to bring a couple special pieces for evening. So with that in mind, I'm gonna head into that closet and I'm gonna pull out about 6 outfits that I wanna bring with me. And I'm gonna lay it out in front of me and we're gonna review everything and edit together. Before we get started, hit that like and subscribe button right down below. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you wanna check your weather where you're going. Where we're going, it's gonna be 78, perfectly sunny, really beautiful, great weather. So I can really have fun with my outfits and I'm not limited. If you're going somewhere that's very, very hot, you need to pay attention to that. Or if you're going somewhere that's a little bit on the cooler side, you need to dress appropriately. So for me, we're getting perfect, sunny, 78-degree weather. So I decided to go with a very pastel-y, vibrant color palette for this trip. Okay, so I like to start with my swimwear. So I felt very inspired by these 2 swimsuits that I have. This cutie is by Zimmerman, lots of fun colors in there. And this one is by, I think it's by PQ. Yeah, PQ Swim. So really vibrant, really fun. And I pulled these cute little splendid terry cloth shorts to go with. So I have 2 colors that mix and match back to both of these. And what's nice is, say I'm not throwing on swimwear, say we're just lounging around, we're going to the spa. This is just a cute little sweater set by Splendid, has a little cute tank, the matching little cardigan, and it goes back to the shorts, so super cute. Say I wanna do something a little bit more elevated. I like this little cover up that I got from Cala Zadonia. It's a little Italian company, but I love something a little bit dressier, just in case you're coming off the beach and you wanna sit down for a nice lunch and you wanna look a little bit more pulled together and not so casual. I think like having a really pretty cover up is a good idea. And when I'm shopping for my cover-ups, I like to coordinate my cover-ups with my swimwear. So basically, for daytime, I'm only bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. And that's gonna be my daytime casual looks that I'm gonna be doing. Okay. So let's talk evening. I'm bringing this lovely little Zimmerman dress. I love this dress because it goes from day to evening, super easy. It can be worn with cute little flats, which I have down there, my little Veronica Beard neutral shoe. It's a great comfortable flat, super easy to walk in. If I want to dress this up, I can throw on my little satin Jimmy Choos. But I love this because it has so many colors in there to play with. It's got pinks and blues and neutrals and camels. And I like that it has a longer sleeve because sometimes in the evening it gets a little chilly and you want a little sheer sleeve. So very, very pretty, very easy to wear. Can be dressed up or dressed down. So this is a good piece. Okay, so another evening piece that I'm gonna throw on is this fun little hot pink magenta Cinca set piece. I just think this is very bold and fun. and just cute, and it's just a good classic core dress. And then I can wear this with either one of my shoes, either the flat Veronica Beard or the satin Jimmy Choo neutrals. Because I'm traveling with so much color, I think keeping your shoes and your handbags more in the neutral family makes all these vibrant colors work, because you don't want to overpack or underpack. And the last piece that I'm bringing with me for evening is this slip dress. I love bringing a slip dress with me. It's so feminine, it's so pretty, it's so easy. This one is by All Saints. So it's this beautiful, rich silk fabric, and it's cut on a bias. And if you're a curvy girl, you need a slip dress. It's super flattering. It can be dressed up or down. Goes with either one of my neutral shoes that I plan on bringing, and it's just super easy and fun. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna be wearing on the plane. I'm just doing a simple pair of AG straight leg jeans. I don't love to travel with blue jeans. I think it looks too casual, but I want the comfort of my comfortable denim, so I opted for this charcoal gray color, which I think is a little bit more elevated than blue jeans. Back to my classic little Giorgio Armani tank and this ALC cardigan. Really easy, and I like bringing a cardigan with me just in case it gets a little chilly. I can easily take my cardigan here and wear it back to, I can throw this cardigan over this little dress. It actually has the same pastel colors going through it, so that's a really easy way to maximize your outfits. And then when you're traveling, you want to wear your bulkiest pieces on the plane. So I like throwing this on because it's kind of bulky, and I'll probably wear it with my little date sneakers down here. Okay, so here is going to be my carry-on handbag. It's going to double as my beach bag / pool bag. It's super lightweight. I love this one. I think I got this at Banana Republic a couple years ago. I got it on sale, but it's so easy. It goes with everything. And because I'm traveling with so much color, I want to make sure my handbags and accessories are kind of muted. Okay, so now we're going to talk about handbags that we're bringing. So based on this color palette, I found this in my closet, my little Bottega lilac bag. I absolutely love this. It goes with my colors, and it's really functional just because you can carry all your personal belongings in there, driver's license, passport, whatever you need close to you. And I like that it has a crossbody strap, makes it very functional, but also if you want, you can take the strap off and you have this cute clutch for evening. So really versatile, but this bag for me, I would wear this back to everything here. It kind of softens up this little look. It's really good just when I'm traveling, kind of goes with this color wave, and it also looks really good just back to my daytime stuff. So this piece is super versatile. So this is one of the bags I'm bringing. And then the other bag I'm gonna bring is probably my little clutch. It literally takes up no room in your suitcase, and I'll probably wear that over here back to my All Saints slip dress. But it's also just good to bring to like the pool, holds a lot of stuff. It's a YSL one, really easy, no brainer. Clutch is always a good idea. So my shoe choice for this trip, I'm bringing this little Veronica Beard sandal that I have. I don't love running around in like a rubberized like flip-flop. I just think it looks a little too casual, but a good leather shoe or a leather sandal or a slide just looks a little bit more elevated, and it can also be worn with your evening stuff if you feel like wearing a flat. The only evening option I'm bringing is this Jimmy Choo, this little satin shoe that I've had for like ever as my little neutral, but I think it can go back to all of my evening looks, especially this like silk slip dress I have. This is also like a silky satin, so the two will coordinate quite nice together. Okay, so let's talk accessories for this trip. I'm bringing this cute little Ted Baker silk scrunchie with me. It's just a cute hair accessory, but as you can see, it goes back to almost everything I'm packing with me. It can go with this. It can go back to my beach stuff and my pool stuff. So cute little accessory, really pretty, just ties everything together. Also, I'm bringing these little costume jewelry. They're like a blush pale pink earring. I think that they're really pretty. I've had these for like 10 years and they just kind of go with my color palette, so I can kind of mix and match that. And then the last thing that I'm bringing with me are these great sunglasses. They're La Spec and they're super fun. They're very Miami and they're very playful. And I like that they have the magenta and the pale pink in there. It kind of goes back to my color wave. So as you can see, I've pulled together lots of color. I've made it all work by picking the right handbags that coordinate, and I've stuck to 2 pairs of very neutral shoes just for dress up in the evening. If this is something that feels overwhelming for you, this is a service I do offer to my clients. It's called personal packing. It's where I go in and I pull together my clients' wardrobes for them off of what they already have in their closet. And things that they're missing, I go and I actually shop for and fill in. So let me know what you think. And I would love to hear any of your comments or suggestions or things that work for you or palettes you like to play with. So leave me a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will be back with another video on how to pack for a business trip. So stay tuned.